Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Reviews. In this video, I'm going to review a tool called Tonai. That is the first ever tone-based content creator with AI assistance. Before we move on, I just want to let you know that if you want to get Tonai through the link in the description, I'm going to give you access to lots of bonuses absolutely for free. So all you have to do is send a screenshot of payment to my Instagram and you'll be granted access in no time. So moving on to the review, what exactly is Tonai? Tonai is a software that helps you create tone-based and human-like content, ranging from audio review, video reels, voiceovers, video ads, podcasts, articles, and many more in a few clicks with natural sound, tonality, pace, and pitch-based voiceovers. With Tonai, you can generate solid and highly converting reels for social media networks like Instagram, Facebook, and many more. All you need to do is select, play, and control all your content with 30 plus interchanging and smooth, natural, human-like tones. So in basic terms, you can just say Tonai is a tool or software that helps you to create highly engaging videos that has that human-like effect. It's not like all these videos that we normally see that you can definitely feel that this is a robotic voice. But Tonai is something different. And be looking into more of the reasons why you should get Tonai today. So, looking at some of the reasons why you should buy Tonai is being able to generate solid and highly converting reels for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook in any language with their AI voice maker. And also, you'll be able to create audio, SMS, audio reviews, audio notifications with the ability to share with potential contacts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. And this is all possible with the audio message AI that comes with Tonai. You'll also be able to quickly auto-generate voiceover for your marketing purposes in any languages and tone of your voice in one click. This is also possible with the voiceover AI that is inside Tonai. Now, best part is you get access to 30 plus different tones of voice, having human-like pitch and pace. Potential to produce engaging content in any language or voice you want. It also generates original song lyrics and write engaging and creative fiction stories in 2 clicks in any language and voice using TikTok content AI. And you'll be able to publish generated content to WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more social media networks in any language and voice, and so much more other features that will be discussed later. So Tonai is going to be launching. I'm super excited to tell you that Tonai will be launching on the 3rd of July at 11 a.m. EST. So there is a webinar that will come up that's present day. So if you want to sign up, there will be a link in the description to get access to it. And sign up if you want to see Tonai in action and how it can help you develop intriguing content for various uses that you can think of. Another best part is that you can get Tonai at a 20% dollar off, because in general Tonai costs $47, and it also comes with a money back guarantee, meaning if you're not satisfied with Tonai after some use, but I'm very sure it's really useful for you because it can generate up to 10 videos at a time really quickly. So if you are not satisfied with at the end, you can always get your money back, so you have nothing to lose. So this is my review on Tonai. Thank you for watching and see you next time.